What is going on, everybody? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Today you're going to follow me around. It is Saturday morning. It's been storming all night. So like, how bad? Well, my wife opened the window last night just to get some fresh air in our bedroom, and this morning our bedroom door was like rattling, thunder and lightning outside. It honestly felt like a scene from like Friday the 13th. I totally expected to open the door and see Jason standing there. It was pretty wild. Lots of debris all over the ground, tons of water laying around. On our road, one of the hydro lines, so we still had hydro all night, one of the hydro lines is leaning, you know, right on its side. I'll try to throw some clips up probably here in the intro. I'm gonna get out this morning, hopefully find some yard sales. I think we're gonna make a quick stop at Goodwill. Somewhere this morning. I have to make my way to the antique booth. It's the end of the month when I'm filming this, so this is going to be all day Saturday. I have to pay my rent at the booth because tomorrow is going to be September 1st. When you're watching this, it'll already be into September, I'm sure. And then this afternoon, as long as the clouds, you know, stay the way that they are, which is, they're looking a lot better, honestly. I'm going to be going to Vintage on the Block in London. I'll show you guys a little bit of that, and I'll show you what I pick up at the very end of the video. Morning. Shoot.
That was a close.
Yeah. I didn't think his head came off.
The head's in there.
Wow. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Well, I have to take him now because it saved his life.
Oh, God. That was the calling, I guess.
I guess so. Dig around through these hats, and a lot of them are foam, and the foam is breaking down inside. So, you know, I dig around. I do find a couple that I do like, and I wind up picking up. They're probably going to both wind up going into the antique booth for maybe about $5 a piece. But check out this really cool hat that I find here. Do you know how much you guys were asking for the hats?
I think he's saying like $1 a piece or something.
Okay.
Does that sound decent?
Yep.
Are you being a cashier boy? You're being such a good girl. What's that?
Dresser.
No, just wipe it off. I think it's almost done dripping anyway. Oh, not now.
Oh.
Who's doing the cash? You said this guy?
Yeah, it's me and my brother.
Okay.
Or that other bald guy down there.
Yeah.
So there's no price on that.
It's up to you, Michael. I don't know.
Hey, Ronald. For a minute.
You guys need to talk about prices here because I didn't mark some stuff.
Yeah.
I did pretty good, Jen. Come on.
Yeah.
Is that your decision?
So I'm just not sure what you want for
Oh,
that.
I'm gonna
And
lie.
grab your pig and a couple hats here, but
What's that?
I don't even know what it is. Just a little
It's a camera, and then this is the flash.
What do you want to pay for it?
Like $10.
Sounds
Is that
good.
okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
$10. I think we're selling like a bucket hat.
Yep, that's fine.
If that works for you.
Yep. So I'm just editing this. That pig you've seen at the beginning of the video, there's some listed from $30 to $60. None of them have sold. Definitely gonna go in the booth. I think it's pretty cute for $1, and I did save his life after all. The hats, cool items. You know, there's some listed of that patch. The Delhi hat is gonna be great for my booth as well, because my booth is located in Delhi, Ontario, and tobacco was a big thing there, so that'll be a great booth item as well. And the other thing, the last thing, the camera, bad buy. Okay, I should not have picked those up. I didn't know they were new in box. I knew they were older. I thought I'd take a chance on them. Definitely struck out on that camera. Morning.
Hey. Want some baby girl clothes?
You never know.
Oh, okay. Thank you. All right. What size can you? This is mine over right here.
Grab your set here.
Awesome. Is that yours? Is that wrong? Mm-hmm. That's awesome. I didn't even know you had that. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool.
Yeah.
Do you play? I'm assuming.
No, I don't.
You're gonna now.
Yeah, maybe. Thank you. All right, so not too much in Goodwill. We found these New Balance. They're fresh foams. I'll throw the exact model up. They're in really nice condition, women's size 9. I think they were $9 and change. I would have threw the right number, hopefully, up on screen there anyway. Probably trying to get 40, 50 bucks out of those. They don't need much cleaning. You know, after doing so many shoes from the Goodwill bins and doing that big shoe buy, finding shoes in good condition, I'm more than happy to pay $10 to make, you know, $30 off the shoes roughly, maybe 25, depends on fees, depends on how much I actually get for it. But that's the goal, to try to make at least $20 a pair when you pick them up for about $8, $9, something like that. That's my goal anyway. This blanket right here, I'm not going to sell online or anything like that. I'll see if my wife likes it, but it's $5.49 is what I paid for it. With something like that, it's in really nice condition, it's handmade. I'm probably going to throw it in my booth for like 20, 25 bucks, see if I can get a bite like that. It's just, I thought it was really nice, unique colors. I think it'll sell for probably $20, $25 locally in my booth. I will look online. It could be worth more money online. It's not vintage or anything like that. It's more modern, but it is very nice and handmade. We're going to continue down the road here. I'm hoping to find some more yard sales this morning. If not, I'm going to wind up at my antique booth. I have to pay my month's rent. When I'm filming this, it is Saturday, so it's all this video is going to be on Saturday, but it's the end of the month, so I have to pay September's rent. Okay, so I have to get there, do that, and then we'll just keep on going with the day.
I basically made her life very difficult. I damaged our business.
Last year we didn't even get them out of the box, so nobody knew what they were. And then when they did get them out,
They have no room.
well, no, the two little ones have to be sitting up.
Oh.
Because so when they were
I don't know what you want for the radio. The other one was said $5 that was beside it. I don't know if this is the same or not, but.
yeah, look at that.
And then the
Is it worth
t-shirt.
$5 for it to you? You can have the shirt.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. Awesome. Hopefully you stay dry today.
Send all your friends back.
Ooh.
Not enough for everybody.
Okay.
Hi, Pearl. You don't have to raise your voice. I can give you half.
Rent is paid for another month. Just did a little tidy up of the area. Basically just moved some plush around, some toys, and you know, things get out of place when people have their hands on things, right? Especially, you know, kids, you know, pick stuff up. Sometimes you find stuff from other people's booth in your booth. Not a big deal. So went in, we did get the rent paid. That's good. The booth next to me is still available. I see somebody in the back corner moving in next to me. I just said hello to him. You know, maybe I'll talk to him a little bit later. Looks like, you know, looks like it's going to be a nice day. It's rainy this Saturday morning. There are still some yard sales. Obviously, we hit some this morning, but, you know, it might be a good opportunity for people to come in the booth today to spend, you know, it's a holiday weekend. You know, if they're traveling somewhere, maybe stop here on the way down. I'm not sure. But I have today still, before we have the August sales complete here. It's August 31st when I'm filming this. So I will update you guys on my sales from the August month here at the Antique Mall. Last time I got a printout, which was Tuesday, it looked pretty good. So we have this week and we had, sorry, the remainder of this week to add to that. So hopefully, you know, we sell something worth a decent amount of money. That would be the goal. Anyway, I'm going to go home. We're going to get ready to go. So I have to go home, do a few things, and then we're going to go to Vintage on the Block. I'll take you guys there, show you a few things maybe, and then I'll show you whatever I do pick up here at the end of the video.
Later that same evening.
All right, we had a great time at Vintage of the Block. I've got a bit of a cheat sheet here for myself. I'm not going to throw comps up for probably any of this stuff. I'm going to tell you what I paid, what I think I can get for it. I might throw up some listeds in some cases, but for the most part, I'm just going to show you what I grabbed and what I paid for it. Okay, so at the one booth is Dugout Deals. I think they're some of the main people who helped put this on. So it was 3 shirts. If you bought 3 shirts, they were $10 each. I'm going to show you the 3 that I picked up. Okay, so this is a Adidas jersey, which is crazy. Size 54, which I have to look again. I think that's the same as a large, but I don't remember at the moment. It also has the fight strap in it. So for $10, this might be the best deal there. It's got some staining right here, but I've had good luck getting stains out of jerseys like that. I'm probably going to try to get $120 for that, to be honest. Will I get it? I'm not sure. Stay tuned and you'll see in an upcoming video. This is for my wife. It's Disney. It's cut right there. See how it's cut? But she got this one as part of the $10 deal, so that's a personal shirt. She's actually going to cut that and make a tank top out of it. It's Animal Kingdom. That's cool. For the third $10 item, so I spent $30 at the first booth. North Face hoodie. Okay, super nice. North Face XXL. I'm probably going to keep this one, but I could easily sell it for probably 40 plus, and I paid $10. Okay, so now my buddy Scott had a booth there. I'll show you some of the stuff I got from him. $5 for this Phillies hat. It's like velour or whatever that's called. It's like very weird satiny material. It's still polyester. American Needle, very nice hat. I think I'm gonna get about $30 out of that one. You know, I'm gonna try anyway. This, he had a $5 bin. I got this out of his $5 bin. It's just another North Face hoodie. $5 in this one. It has a little bit of a, I don't know if that'll come through right here. I'm gonna have to try to soak it a little bit. I think there might be like a little bit of a stain there or something, but on the black, it's not so noticeable, to be honest. Probably 30, 35, $40 maybe on that one. Maybe a little less, hard to say. That's just sort of a typical shirt. So you see my Mickey right here. This is the same tag. This is Mickey Unlimited, except for this one is Big Goofy. It's got a cool back. I paid $30 for this one, okay? So I paid up for this one. I'm gonna keep it. It's pretty cool. This shirt right here, I paid the most for this one. I'll leave this one to the end because I'm really not sure. I've got 3 other ones. I paid $20 for this. Okay. It's Taz. It's a 1990. I think it's 2. It says right here, 96. Taz, New York Yankees. Cool shirt, cool tank top. I have it listed. It's going to go up tomorrow, but I'm going to throw mine up for $75. I paid $20. I can't find this exact one. When you're dealing with vintage stuff like this, sometimes you're looking at similar items. Sometimes you're making up your own prices. This is a really cool. This is on a novelties tag. Okay. It's Daffy, long sleeve. It almost looks like it would fit me because I should try it on. But anyway, I'm going to list this one. I paid $30, so I paid up for this one too. I'm going to try to get $75. You know, you're going to pay up for a lot of the better stuff there for sure, but there's still lots of really great stuff that's a little bit lower end. This one I'm actually trying to, I think my listing's going up. I'll throw the listing up for this one, mine anyway. 105 is what I'm going to try to get out of it. It's an extra large. There's a small listed for I think 95, but it's got a hole in the back and it's a small. This one has a little bit of paint just on the back arm and a low spot there. And actually, did I just see a hole? I seen it. Yeah, there's a hole here. So I'm gonna have to go back and edit my listing. I didn't see that hole. But size large, I think maybe this one was like 92. I thought one of them was 92. This one says 1992. But cool graphic. This actually came from somebody that I know a little bit, I guess, from that I see at the Goodwill bin. So that was a local vendor. Now this came from somebody. I can't find a comp for this one. I actually can't find an actual one still listed. It's a 2005, so Y2K still. 9 Inch Nails with teeth. I actually really like this album too. I've always been a pretty big 9 Inch Nails fan, but when they came back with this album, I thought it was cool. Okay. There's a hoodie that sold like this for like $240 or something like that. The shirts, I don't really know. I paid $60 because I really like this one. I'm going to try to get, I think my listing went up today for $120, $140, something like that. So paying $60 was paying up. I know the guy that I bought it from really knew it was a good piece. And I don't think he really wanted to sell it to me. He kind of hemmed and hawed, said how much it potentially could sell for. I said, well, like, what about $60? Would that make you comfortable? And then I also did say to him, if I did really well, in my opinion, really well would have been like $200 or something, not just to double up on my money. Then I would have thrown some extra money. But if I can get like 120, 140, even $100 out of this, I'd be happy. I think it's really cool just to own this for a little while. All right, so that was my entire Saturday. I did go to one other place that I didn't add in the video. I went to Salvation Army right before I picked my wife up. I found a pair of Keens that were okay, and I found a LL Beam button-up. So that's all you guys missed. It wasn't much. I think I paid about $15. That $15, I think I'm gonna flip into like maybe $65, something like that. Other than that, that's pretty much what I got up to the entire day. It's a really great day, actually. I love Saturdays like that. You know, started off kind of rocky with a storm, still hit some yard sales, hit some thrift stores, got to go to Vintage on the Block. You know, I'm excited to go next time. Anyways, if you guys do like videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content, and we'll see you soon.